Hello student, welcome to this lecture on traditional data versus big data. Lecture outcome. After completing this video lecture, you will able to distinguish between traditional data and big data. First parameter, volume. Traditional data is smaller like customer or student profile which is in GB, whereas big data use in size constantly updated. Second parameter, generation rate. Traditional data generated as business progresses, which is per hour or per day. But big data is so rapid, generated from various sources like business processes, application logs, networks, and social media sites, etc. For example, in Facebook, where data generated by comments, likes from multiple users. Third parameter is structure. Traditional data is always organized in particular formats, whereas big data are semi-structured or completely unstructured. Next parameter, data source. Traditional data is stored on centralized database, whereas big data is distributed across clusters of computers. Next is data integration. As traditional data is in proper format, so integration becomes easy. For example, if data in Excel files that can be easily integrated, but big data is unstructured, no common formats and distributed, so it becomes difficult. Next, data store. Traditional data uses relational database management systems, whereas big data has new technologies, Hadoop distributed file systems, NoSQL. Next parameter, access. In traditional, it is interactive. When query is fired, it gives output. In big data, data coming from various sources, analytic algorithm works on it and shows statistic during runtime. For example, in Facebook, lot many people liking your post, photos, etc. And in real time, that like count is updated automatically and shown the result. Update scenario. It is repeated read and write in case of traditional data. But whereas in case of big data, it write once, multiple copies are created and that repeatedly accessed by multiple users. Next, data structure. Traditional data uses static schema. Big data uses dynamic schema. Next parameter, scaling potential. Traditional data is non-linear in nature, whereas big data somewhat close to linear. Thank you.